Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today it is a vlog. So I have a lot of errands to do and I didn't feel like doing a fashion video because I did that, or a beauty video because I just did that. So I was like, yeah, let me just make you come with me for my day.
I wake up, flex, thumb down that check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em
I'm gonna show you what I did use to fill my skin. So I have some darkness right now. It's hormonal week. I have a mix of drugstore and high-end, if we can say. So for now I have like Neutrogena toner. This is for the eye. This is by Garnier, and this have been my Holding Grail, and this also Holding Grail. I have Mario Badescu. So this is newbie. So, and I have tried these two together today and it was amazing. So then I have this. So this is the Origin Ginseng. This is what I wear in the morning. Then I have this serum on top of it. Focus on me. And this is what I use at night. This is my mask, of course the drying lotion, and vitamin C. So I'm gonna do my makeup, do my hair till it's wash day. And then I will be right back. So yeah, this is my first time going to vlog in public, so bear with me. Okay, so hair and makeup is done. Let me show you a close up, like hi. So yeah, so this it is by Zara, this lovely coat. So yeah, the coat is by Zara. This is by Shein, Zara, Stradivarius, Zara, fake Gucci belt. fake Gucci bag by Primark, and this is a gift from my mother-in-law. Lip combo. So yeah, how do you like it? Comfy, casual, head and shoulders. If you guys are subscribed to Apple Music, tell me if you do listen to your favorite mix. So mine is each Tuesday that it changed for my favorite mix. I love how my favorite mix is either Latino or hip hop. Like I'm a two kind person. Either Latino, Caribbean, or hip hop. Like I don't have in between. It's like I didn't find what I was looking for at Ikea. So I went up there because I needed some candles, but I didn't find them. So I am disappointed. So like you did just saw in the vlog, I was like, where's the candles? So yeah, so now I'm gonna head up to a different place. Hope for me guys that I will find, and also clean your wet hands, wash your hands. Make sure to stay sanitized. So I live in the region that have a lot of people who are sick. So I just got my Amazon package, like 2 packages. That is for the wedding. Some of you guys must be like, why is she buying boxes? So I am not getting married at the city that I live. I'm getting married 4 or 5 hours from where I do live. So basically that means that I'm gonna bring a lot of stuff. So I did a lot of DIY, so this is why I have to buy the boxes. So that is the first one. I have the smaller one. So I have this smaller one. So this smaller one, why did I buy it? Because I have the bigger one just to throw everything in it. The smaller one, this is gonna be just for me. This is where I'm gonna put my accessories. This is where I'm gonna put my shoes, everything that I will need for myself. I think like this box will be good. I'm talking just for the day, I'm not talking for the whole week. Yeah, I'm gonna pack to go 1 week just in that. I did buy this. This is not for the wedding. This is for one of my vases. I have 2 actually. So I have a thick one here and another thick one. Just because I don't have time to treat my plants right now. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. I have like about 6 or 7 plants at my house. Somebody did call me a grandma. So I have already enough babies to take care of. So this is why I have bought these. Tell me, comment below if I am the only one that goes to Ikea and have to buy like this. Tell me, like this one, I have like, what I do is just like I spray on them and take off the whole thing. Is like so luxe. One of the other items that I did buy, it is this little small baby thing. So this is where I'm gonna put basically some sweets. So at the entry it will have like, you know, the book that you have to write out the well wishes. And so next to it I will put this, that while the people are writing some cute notes or taking pictures, they can have some sweets on their hands. I will do like a mix on the day. This is fine. This is an Amazon brand. So they say that the color, it is silver. Let's pray, guys. Okay, so it's really silver. USA is that you have 40.5. So that is good, you have half sizes. What I did buy, it is these little babies. This is basically when you need to accessorize a shoe or everything. So I'm gonna show you guys. You're gonna see how this is gonna change your shoe. I actually advise, like, for all my ladies that are getting married, that you cannot find a shoe, or maybe you already have a white coat shoe that is way enough for you. So you have it like so. This one is simple. I had it for 55 euros. Quite expensive, but I had a fan promo code. Basically take like this, you have like these two, and then you put it on the shoe and you clip it so, and then this side is gonna show. Look how beautiful they are just with this, you know, and it's not moving. They are not too high, and they don't look like that. Sorry about my white feet. They don't look like that silver. They look like silver white. I really like them, but they're hurting. Hey guys, thank you for watching, for looking at this vlog with me. So this was my first one. Don't just at me, don't come at me. So I'm gonna end it here because I don't want a very long vlog. I'm gonna try to make this stay for like 5-6 minutes. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It's been my pleasure to come and show you around. So yeah, do not forget to subscribe. Make sure to comment below if you are just like me, having some feet issues. Hey, it's like that. And also, do you ever go at Ikea, wanting to buy one stuff and get back with your whole life? So yeah, and if this was a tip that you did find into the whole wedding process, do not hesitate. If you have any like site for shoes, do not hesitate for wedding shoes, because I have my site for shoes. So you guys, thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Mwah. Bye.